Joining us here for 17 News at 11. We'll have more on that story coming up in just a moment. But first, we begin with a warning tonight about cell phones. World health officials now say they could be hazardous to your health. 17's Kelsey Thomas spoke with a local cancer expert to get his take on the new study, and she joins us in studio now with more. Kelsey?
Could your cell phone really cause brain cancer? The World Health Organization now lists cell phone use in the same carcinogenic hazard category as lead and engine exhaust.
Right. Almost everywhere you go, you see someone with a cell phone practically glued to their ear. It's estimated that 5 billion people worldwide use cell phones.
We've all grown accustomed to them.
You have to have communication some way.
It's a way of life now. It's a culture.
Now the World Health Organization says cell phones could possibly cause cancer.
It wouldn't stop anybody, probably. We're too used to them already.
It's probably true, but I would like to see what kind of facts they have to support it, because there are numerous things that can cause cancer.
The World Health Organization is the same agency that previously said there was no definite conclusion that cell phones can increase your risk for cancer.
It's important to remember that they did not go out and do new research. What they did was they accumulated the data of all the available research on cell phones and the association between cell phones and cancer.
Dr. Ravi Patel, the medical director of the Comprehensive Blood and Cancer Center in Bakersfield, says instead of debating whether cell phones cause cancer, people need to be practical and find ways to limit their exposure to radio frequency waves.
What actually happens is the radio frequency waves get emitted and transmitted to the brain and the skull. I don't think people should be fearful that they've used the phones and they're definitely going to get cancer. And a carcinogen means even dry cleaning fluid, or, gasoline exhaust from your car.
Dr. Patel says there are easy ways to limit your exposure.
Keep the cell phone away from your ear. Use the speaker system on your phone, or use wireless devices, headphones, a variety of ways, text messaging, for example. But I wouldn't give up cell phone usage completely.
Dr. Patel says children have thinner skulls and parents should make sure to limit their exposure as well. Live in studio, Kelsey Thomas, 17 News.
And missing